everyone, today we are going to be making peppermint creams. So let's get started. In a stand-up mixer, mix together 4.5 cups of powdered sugar and a half a cup of sweetened condensed milk until you get a crumbly texture. Now add a few drops of peppermint extract and a few drops of green food coloring. And remember, a little bit goes a long way. Now you're going to start by sprinkling some powdered sugar on your surface and knead your dough for 1 minute. Now you're going to roll out your dough until it is 1/2 inch thick. Alright, now you're going to take a 1/4 cup and press it down into your dough. And you're just going to keep doing so until you run out of room. And then you're going to put your circles aside, roll out your dough once more, and keep doing so until you run out of dough. Once you've begun, press my face to the... Now we're just going to be melting our chocolate, so in a pot just put some water and put a bowl on top and mix 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and there goes my tripod. Okay, we're back. Now you're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and then you're just going to keep mixing until you get your chocolate the consistency that you're looking for. Alright, now that our chocolate is melted, we're just going to go ahead and take one of our creams, dip it halfway in the chocolate, and then we're just going to set it down. And we're just going to keep doing so until we have done it to all of our creams. Then you're going to let it set for about 3 to 5 hours, then enjoy.